Okay, in this video we are going to install front panel, front USB and front audio so that our reset switch and this front USB and front audio work. You can see it's written also here front audio, and then this one is front panel and this is front speaker. Now let me tell you how I have installed front panel. You'll be confused, so here is a map of what cable will go where. Here is the front panel, you can see. Wait, I'm going to zoom it. Now you can see clearly. And down there is HDD lead. If I didn't install HDD leads cable, then red light which blink on my machine won't work. And then there is power switch and then reset switch. And here is power LED. I mean with this one, the green and white one. So now I have successfully installed my motherboard, my SMPS, my hard disk to my desktop, and now my PC is ready.